Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Bellegant Cosmetics Brights and Basics palette. This is what the palette looks like. Please ignore this broken nail throughout the entire video. I know you will see it. Please ignore her. She is on vacation right now. I'm going to be using this palette. This is how I got this eye look. I also used some other beauty products that are from indie brands. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, please make sure to keep on watching. Also, before you keep on watching, click the little notification bell because YouTube plays people, and if you don't have the bell on, you won't see when I upload new videos, which is not okay? So, now that we're on the same page, you can go ahead and keep on watching to see how I got this look. Hey guys. Alright, so on the eyes, I'm going to be using this palette right here. It is from Bellegant Cosmetics. If you stuck around with my channel for a long time, or just from like when I did like my earlier videos, Bellegant Cosmetics was the first brand or like indie brand that I reviewed and bought a lot from when they first launched. So I'm just really excited to be trying out this palette, and I know it's going to perform well, or I have really high hopes that it will, because they are such a good brand. Like the owner, she's really nice and catering to her customers, and I like that about a brand. Alright, so I can't even go in and tell you how much this palette is or like all that fun stuff. I went to go check online, and right now they're going through like fixing their inventory. I think that's what it says. Over the holidays they sold a lot. They had plenty of sales, and I think they're recovering from that. So I'm just gonna try to like use as much brain power as I can and try to remember how much I paid, perhaps. I don't know. So yes, this is what the palette looks like. It's called the Brights and Basics eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. The actual palette looks just like the packaging that it was just in. When you open the palette, has a really big mirror. There's the mirror, and these are the colors. These are beautiful. So over here on this side, like these 3 rows over here, so this section over here is going to be all of your brights, and then on the opposite side, so these 3 rows, so right here 1 2 3, is going to be like your basic type of colors. So I think that's really sweet. You basically have 2 palettes in one. Once again, you have a really huge mirror. Oh my god, you can look at my dirty desk. You have that really huge mirror, and you have all of these beautiful shades. And of course, you guys saw that you get a huge array of different colors. From your neutrals, you have some warm tones, you have extremely bright shades, shimmers, foils, you name it, you have it in this palette, and I think that's really sweet. The only thing that I am going to say about this palette is that there aren't any like warm tone browns, any like chocolatey transition shades. There's probably only 1, 2, yeah, we'll say 2 transition shades that you can really throw in the crease, and it'll work for every one of the colors in this palette. But other than that, like I said, this is a really beautiful palette, and I'm gonna stop talking so we could go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids. Same thing that I've been doing a lot recently. I'm just gonna take this Colourpop No Filter concealer, and this is in the shade medium 26, and I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow base. I'm gonna go ahead, and I think I want to take this mustard shade, and I'm gonna take this in the crease. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna take that. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna pack this on like the outer V area. This is kind of looking really red on camera, but it's like a hot strawberry pink. So I was thinking like maybe this shade with the mustard is gonna look like a strawberry lemonade type of situation. Watch, you guys will see once I put it on my eye. See, look, this is what the color looks like. It's like a really neon orangey pinky color. It's like a coral. I'm gonna put it right, no, we're gonna put it right under it. We're just gonna pack her on there, and I'm literally just stamping this on my eye. Okay, it's looking really orange on camera, but in the pan it looks coral, so it's kind of weird. I don't know how I'm liking this look so far, but we're just gonna keep rolling with it. Sometimes the end result is the best result. And I'm gonna go back in with the yellow, and I'm gonna just pack this right over it, but also blend it at the same time. So I'm adding more product, but I'm also blending it at the same time. So that way we kind of get like a sunset type of gradient. Okay. I just wanted to show you guys this, just so that way you are aware. There is a little bit of kickback, like just the slightest bit of kickback when I'm using this shadow right here. But kickback is expected when you have really pigmented shadows. Well, really pigmented and really smooth shadows. They are really pigmented. They're not that buttery, but they are easy to blend and work with, as you can tell from my eyes. The only thing that you do need to be cautious of is, like I said, is that some of the shadows don't look the same color in the pan than they do on your eyes. A lot of this also too might also be because since I laid the yellow down, yellow and this pink can create the orange. It's like, you know, you're mixing colors back in kindergarten. So the next color I want to take is this really glittery gold, and I'm gonna put this on like the inner lid. I'm just gonna swatch it real quick because I want to see how pigmented it is. So, oh wow, that is beautiful. I didn't do too much, like look at my missing nail, oh my god. I didn't do like too many like swirls in the pan. I just did like 1, 2, and this is how smooth and pigmented it is. That is so crazy. I just want to see how it swatches. Yeah, that's really nice. That is such a pure like, look at that. That's a pure gold. I really like this, and I'm gonna put this like right here in the inner corner. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fingers for this. So I'm gonna use my broken nail. I'm gonna go ahead and retouch like the orange and kind of make everything blend out and look kind of even, because I think on one side, I think this eye has more yellow and then this side has more orange. So I'm just gonna add more orange because I like the way this eye looks versus this one. Alright, so I really like how this eye look has sort of turned out for now. I'm just going to clean it up, and I'm going to do the rest of my face, like the basics of it, because you guys kind of already know what my foundation is like, what primer I use, things like that. Until that changes, I'm not going to do like a full face situation, and then I'll come back and do the rest of my eyes, because obviously I'm not fully done. I'm just kind of there. So I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, I'm back. Alright, so face is on, but I went ahead and did my foundation, put some blush on, concealer, and I did like a little baby wing. I figured why not, since I'm off camera and it takes forever. So that's what I have so far. We're gonna go ahead and finish the under eyes. I really love the way this look has came out so far, and I want to keep adding more color. So what I think I'm gonna do in this palette, I'm gonna go and use, I want to do these two colors. So I want to do like this baby blue and this purple. I'm gonna focus this purple like on the outer side of the lower lash line, and then this baby blue on the inner corner, and then I'll probably do this on like the inner corner. I think that sounds good. So we'll go ahead and see. It's like a royal purple. I'm going to take this on a cute little Luxie brush. And we're gonna put her out here. Oh, wow. That's really pigmented and I should have picked a smaller brush. And pack this out here. I'm gonna have to definitely clean that up because that looks pretty bad. We're just gonna take it like right about here, like right in the middle. And we're gonna smoke it out and blend it out. I think instead of blue, I'm probably gonna go with that hot pink that was right above the purple. Because I think the blue might kind of kill it a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go with pink because I love pink, so why not? I'm just gonna clean up under the eye a little bit using translucent powder and my sponge. And we're gonna put it right here. This one right here, I'm gonna go ahead and stick this one on the inner corner. There was a little bit of fallout with that pink though. Nothing too crazy, but it was a little noticeable. But then again, out of all the shades that I used, this pink was really pigmented. Alright, so I'm probably gonna go with this shimmery blue on the inner corner, on the top and the bottom of the inner corner. Okay, I think the blue was, it was a move. This was a really good move. Okay, so for liner on the lower waterline, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes. This is just the black one. I think this is an older pencil, but I'm gonna be using this one on my waterline. I'm gonna be using the Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome, and I'm gonna be using this on the top and on the lower lashes. Alright, so for lashes, I'm going to be using a different pair of lashes. These are also from an indie brand. They are from right here in Orlando, so that makes me really excited to use them. They come in this cute little pouch like this. The brand of the lashes are called the Viva Lash. Yeah, the Viva Lash. And they come in this cute little compact, like, I feel like that's really sweet. The style that I'm going to be using today is called Viva La Koi. They're like these the style that I'm going to be using is called Viva La Koi. They're these really wispy lashes, and I feel like they're dramatic but not over dramatic for this eye look. So I felt like it would be perfect. The only thing that I wish that this packaging had is that the name of the style of the lashes are on the tag that's attached to the pouch. It's not on the back of the compact that it comes in, and it's not on the compact at all. So whenever I take them off and I don't remember what the name is, then I'm screwed basically. So I think I'm just gonna take like this little thing, rip it off and throw it in here and leave it under the lashes. I don't know, that's the best that I could do, or the best that I could think of. I don't think I'm gonna trim them. I think they're gonna be perfect in length. I have really wide almond shaped eyes, so I feel like it's gonna be able to fit perfectly on my eye and look good. Okay, and for highlight, I'm gonna use this one. This is an oldie but a goodie. This I have in like this little magnetic palette. It's actually like a sewing kit magnet palette thing that I got at Joann's, but I feel like it works really good for holding magnetic shadows, and I just have some blushes and highlights in here. This is from Beauty Escape Cosmetics, This is in the shade Rumplestiltskin, and I feel like this is just a really pigmented, really beautiful, true gold, like a champagne-y gold highlight, and I love it. It's my favorite. Well, one of my favorites. I have a lot of favorite highlights. What I like about this highlight is that you barely need anything. Like, you don't need that much for it to show up and look really good. Like, that's really nice. I'm just gonna put some lipstick on. This is also from Bellegant Cosmetics. This is in the shade Berries and Cream. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. It has like little hearts and stuff around like, I guess the rim. I don't know what it's called. With Bellegant Cosmetics, I have some of their other liquid lipsticks, and I truly love their formula. It stays all day. I can tell you that for sure. A lot of my older pictures, I have some of their liquid lipsticks on, or it's just one. This really deep burgundy shade. I know I don't have it here, but it's called Brambleberry, and that one is like my perfect vampy, like maroon burgundy vampy lip. Like, that's, if I could wear that every day, I would. Like, that's my favorite liquid lipstick. But like I said, I'm going to be going in with the shade Berries and Cream. I also want to mention the doe foot that it has. It's a flat doe foot, so it's really easy for you, oh my god. So it's really easy for you to get in like on the corners of your lips and whatnot. Yeah, that's a pretty color. And it smells like vanilla and coffee, like vanilla coffee. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this kind of like tutorial slash review on the Bellegant Brights and Basics palette. I really like this palette. I love the way this look turned out. It really encouraged me to use lots of colors, and I love using vibrant colors on my eyes. Okay, the eyeshadow palette is bomb. The pricing, I don't really remember what it is. I think it's like $55. So it's a little bit on the pricier side, but you do get 30 shadows that are really good pigment. They obviously show up really good on the eyes. Yeah, it's A1, so I like this palette. Eyelashes from the Viva Lash. I really like these lashes. They're really easy to apply. I also have the style Carmen and Tehra. I like Carmen a lot more. It's a bit fuller, and it has like the inner corner to like bigger outer corner type of like lash. I don't know, it's hard to explain. I'll insert a picture over here of a makeup look that I did using those lashes, and hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about. I really like those lashes. This one, Viva La Koi, they're really nice. They're just really long, so if you don't like long lashes, this one is not the one for you. And liquid lipstick from Bellegant Cosmetics in the shade Berries and Cream. They're one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. This liquid lipstick and the liquid lipsticks from Give Me Glow Cosmetics, those two are my favorite formulas for an indie brand. So Bellegant Cosmetics, I'm really excited for what you guys have in store in the future for us, because every product that you guys come out with, it's always really high quality. It's always something that's unique. That's basically all I have to say like about the products that I used. So if you really like this look and the way it turned out, please give this video a thumbs up. That would mean the world. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Yeah, sorry, I'm recording right now.
Oh, okay. Hi.
No.
I'm not gonna come out.
Nope, I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna edit this right out.
I want to be in the video. Hello.